So some like it hot, and then there's people like me who like it hotter. This video, I'm gonna show you how to make one of my favorite pizzas. It's pineapple, it's jalapeno, it's garlic, and it's super tasty. Hey everyone, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's video, like I said, we're making one of my favorites. Now, this is probably a little weird for some of you, but it's the perfect combination of like sweet, spicy, cheesy, garlicky, and like I'm a slut for jalapenos, so I absolutely love this. I make it all the time. Let me show you how. So the first thing that we're gonna start off here, we have our pizza dough. Now you can use whatever pizza dough you want. I'm using a gluten-free one. Doesn't matter, just rolled out, ready to go. I'm gonna add in my pizza sauce. Let's get that spread out. I need a whole lot more. Just evenly spread that out on the pizza. I'm gonna add in some minced garlic and work that in because I love garlic on pizza. So good. Okay, next we're gonna add some mozzarella cheese, some pineapple chunks. Now, I know that pineapple is really divisive when it comes to putting it on pizza. Like people are ready to like come to blows over it, but I like it on pizza and I love it on this one. I like fruit on pizza. You know, I like apples on pizza. I like shaved pears on pizza. You know, there's a lot of fruit that works really. I've had persimmon on pizza. There's a lot of fruit that really works. The people that are anti-pineapple, I have no kind words for you because it's delicious. And now my favorite part, the jalapenos. Like I said, this is just a great combination of sweet and spicy. If you like hot food, if you like Thai food, I think that's the best explanation for this pizza. If you like Thai food, even though there's nothing Asian or Thai about this at all, if you like Thai food, you will understand why this is delicious. It has that combo of just like sweet and spicy that I think Thai food does so well. There are jalapenos on there. Okay. Top it off with just a little bit more mozzarella. And now we're gonna bake this at 425 for about 10 to 12 minutes, just until the crust is risen, it's kind of golden around the corners, and that cheese is just nice and golden brown and bubbly. So good. Okay, so we baked our pizza, and oh, that looks so good. All that beautiful cheese that's just nice and golden brown. Looks beautiful. Okay, so our pizza is ready. It smells so good and it looks great. I'm gonna eat some pizza. I'm gonna eat some pizza. So let's go ahead and chop this baby up. Oh yeah, spicy and sweet. It's my favorite. It's probably too hot to eat, but that might not stop me. So here we go. My favorite pizza, jalapeno and pineapple. So I discovered this in college and I've been a fan of it ever since. This is burning my hands, so I'm not gonna bite into it because I'll probably spit it out because it's so hot. But if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. If there's a pizza that you wanna see, hey, drop a comment below. And if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. So be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna go eat some pizza.